Number 10 on our list is the Portable Countertop Dishwasher. This compact yet powerful dishwasher is perfect for small homes, apartments, and RVs. Despite its small size, it boasts a large capacity, washing over 40 items, including plates up to 12 inches. It meets the daily needs of a family of 3 to 4 while only occupying a small space, measuring just 16.75 by 16.86 by 18.05 inches. No installation is required thanks to its built-in 5-liter water tank, making it highly flexible and convenient. However, it also includes a hose for direct connection to your kitchen faucet if preferred. The dishwasher features 5 washing programs: normal, speed, glass, baby care, and fruit. Additionally, it offers 2 enhanced functions: an extra 60 minutes of drying time and 72 hours of ventilated storage, ensuring your tableware stays hygienic and ready to use. Efficient cleaning is guaranteed with 14 washing nozzles and 360-degree spiral spray from upper and lower arms, combined with high water temperature. At number 9, we have the Midea MDF-18A1 AST built-in dishwasher, a compact yet powerful addition to any kitchen. Designed with a slimline build, this dishwasher seamlessly fits into small spaces while boasting a large capacity. The digital control panel with an LED display ensures ease of use, allowing you to accommodate larger plates, pots, and pans up to 11 inches in height. With 8 place settings, this 18-inch dishwasher provides ample space for your dishware needs. Its dimensions of 22.6 inches deep, 17.6 inches wide, and 32.4 inches high, along with adjustable legs, offer flexibility and convenience in loading. This dishwasher comes with 6 washing programs: heavy, normal, ECO, delicate, quick, and rinse. Additionally, it features 3 functions: heated dry, high temp, and sanitize, catering to all your daily cleaning needs. Remember to use detergent specifically designed for dishwashers to avoid any issues. The heated dry function ensures exceptional drying performance, eliminating the need for additional towel drying. The high-temp wash cycle maintains a maximum water temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit, tackling even the most heavily soiled dishes. It's also perfect for cleaning baby bottles and children's dinner sets, ensuring thorough hygiene. The Midea MDF-18A1 AST built-in dishwasher combines efficiency, flexibility, and advanced features, making it a standout choice for modern kitchens. At number 8, we have the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher, a versatile and compact solution for small spaces like apartments and RVs. With its no installation needed feature, you can manually add water to the 5L built-in water tank, allowing you to place the dishwasher anywhere. Alternatively, you can hook it up directly to your kitchen faucet with the included water hose and adapter. The ultra-compact design lets this mini dishwasher wash over 30 items, including plates up to 9.5 inches, while taking up minimal space. It's perfect for small houses, dorms, boats, and campers. This portable dishwasher offers 6 program options: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and an air refresh extra drying mode to meet all your daily needs. Note that regular liquid dish soap should be avoided to prevent problems. Standard dishwasher powders or detergents work best. No detergent is needed for the fruit program, and rapid requires only half the standard amount. The 192 degrees Fahrenheit high-temp hygiene feature boosts the water temperature to 162 degrees Fahrenheit for rinsing and up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum cleaning, making it ideal for heavily soiled dishes, baby bottles, and children's dinner sets. The extra drying and stay fresh function circulates air to remove moisture and odor, keeping your plates and the machine dry and fresh for an extended period. This function is enabled by default but can be deactivated if unnecessary. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher combines convenience, efficiency, and compact design, making it a top choice for those with limited space. Taking the 7th spot, we have the COMFEE Portable Dishwasher Countertop, a highly efficient and compact appliance perfect for small spaces like RVs and apartments. No installation needed, simply add water manually to the 5L built-in water tank, and you can place this dishwasher anywhere without connecting it to tap water. Alternatively, you can hook it up directly to your kitchen faucet with the included water hose and adapter. With its ultra-compact design, this dishwasher can wash over 30 items, including plates up to 9.5 inches, while occupying minimal space. It's an excellent choice for small houses, dorms, boats, and campers. This portable dishwasher offers 6 program options: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and an air refresh extra drying mode to cater to all your daily needs. Remember to use standard dishwasher powders or detergents, as regular liquid dish soap can cause problems. No detergent is needed for the fruit program, and rapid requires only half the standard amount. The 192 degrees Fahrenheit high-temp hygiene feature boosts the water temperature to 162 degrees Fahrenheit for rinsing and up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum cleaning, making it ideal for heavily soiled dishes, baby bottles, and children's dinner sets. The extra drying and stay fresh function circulates air to remove moisture and odor, keeping your plates and the machine dry and fresh for an extended period. This function is enabled by default but can be deactivated if unnecessary. The COMFEE Portable Dishwasher countertop combines convenience, efficiency, and a space-saving design, making it a must-have for those with limited space. At number 6, we have the Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a compact and efficient solution for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and boats. This mini tabletop dishwasher features a built-in 5-liter water tank, eliminating the need for a hookup. It can fit dishes up to 12 inches in diameter, making it versatile and convenient for any small space. With 5 different wash cycles, including baby care, glass, and fruit wash, the Farberware Countertop Dishwasher ensures all your dishes, from delicate glassware to baby bottles, are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. This dishwasher is a time-saving marvel, delivering clean dishes and sparkling glassware in just 40 minutes. It's perfect for busy individuals who need an efficient dishwashing solution. Easy to use and maintain, this dishwasher features a user-friendly LED display and simple controls, allowing you to select the perfect wash cycle effortlessly. The water tank is easy to refill and clean, ensuring the dishwasher stays in top condition. Known for durability, design, and innovation, Farberware continues to be America's most trusted cookware brand, bringing value and reliability to your kitchen with this portable countertop dishwasher. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. In the 5th spot, we have the Portable Countertop Dishwasher, an ideal compact solution for small apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats. Despite its small size, measuring just 16.9 by 16.8 by 18.1 inches, this dishwasher boasts a large capacity, accommodating 4 full place settings and fitting up to 12-inch dishes loaded at an angle. The double-layer design offers ample space for bowls, cups, plates, and cutlery, making it perfect for a family of 3 to 4. With no installation needed, this dishwasher supports 2 water supply modes, a built-in 5-liter water tank for instant use and a faucet mode using the included water inlet hose. The automatic water level indicator ensures the correct water level is reached. The baby care mode is one of 5 wash cycles, including normal, speed, soft, baby care/heavy, and fruit. The baby care/heavy mode, with a 167 degrees Fahrenheit washing temperature, is perfect for baby products and oily tableware, ensuring thorough rinsing and a sparkling clean finish for glassware. This dishwasher features a 3-in-1 function, combining a dishwasher, dryer, and cabinet. After the wash cycle, a 60-minute hot air drying mode starts automatically, keeping your dishes dry and odorless. Additionally, the 72-hour automatic ventilation ensures your tableware remains in sanitary condition. Fully equipped, this dishwasher includes a storage rack, cutlery basket, and fruit basket. The lower and upper spray arms provide a streak-free deep cleaning, and the included fruit basket allows for easy cleaning of fruits and vegetables. Note that a little residual water in the unit is normal due to quality control tests. Before first use, it is recommended to run the dishwasher for 5 minutes to clear any dust and odor from transportation. For those in a hurry, the speed wash mode cleans dishes in just 29 minutes, with automatic air circulation helping to dry them for immediate use. The fruit mode allows for easy cleaning of fruits and vegetables, ready to serve directly from the dishwasher. The easy-to-control LED touch panel clearly displays the dishwasher status, and the transparent dual-layer glass door with a built-in LED lamp allows you to check the working status easily. All necessary accessories are included, making this portable countertop dishwasher a convenient and efficient addition to any small living space. At number 4, we have the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher, an efficient and versatile appliance with 8 place settings. With 8 place settings, this dishwasher features 2 racks and a removable cutlery basket, providing ample space for your dishes and utensils. It offers multiple functions with 6 washing programs to choose from: heavy, normal, eco, glass, rapid, and rinse, catering to all your cleaning needs. The durable tub, made of stainless steel, enhances efficiency and performance, ensuring your dishwasher lasts longer and performs better. As an Energy Star certified appliance, this dishwasher boasts low energy consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for your home. For added convenience, it features a timer with up to 24-hour delay start, allowing you to set it to run at the most convenient time for you. Designed in a built-in style, the dimensions are 24 inches deep, 24.5 inches wide, and 33.74 inches high, making it ADA compliant and a sleek addition to your kitchen. The Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher combines functionality, durability, and energy efficiency, making it a top choice for any modern kitchen. Securing the third spot, we have the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher, an excellent addition for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, boats, and RVs. Experience the perfect wash with the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher. It offers the convenience of a full-size dishwasher in a compact design, ideal for small spaces. Just ensure there's at least 19.88 inches between your countertop and wall cabinets. With a 4-place setting capacity, this portable dishwasher measures 16.85 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches, fitting up to 10.25-inch dishes loaded at an angle. The Hermitlux dishwasher provides 5 washing programs: standard cleaning, fast cleaning, ECO cleaning, strong cleaning, and fruit cleaning. Dual high water pressure spraying arms ensure your dishes receive a streak-free deep cleaning. Designed to handle high-temperature cleaning, it uses PTC hot wind to ensure your tableware, fruits, and vegetables are thoroughly cleaned and dried. It's perfect for baby products and oily tableware, giving glassware a sparkling finish. With no installation needed, you can choose between 2 water supply modes. The built-in 5-liter water tank allows for instant use, or you can connect it directly to a faucet. The funnel helps you add water precisely, preventing overflow even when the dishwasher is under the counter. The unique glass door lets you check the washing status at any time, and the top touch button makes operation easy and intuitive. Its small footprint makes it perfect for limited spaces. Hermitlux ensures excellent service, with all dishwashers strictly tested and provided with clear instructions. A small amount of residual water is normal due to testing. If you have any questions, the support team is ready to assist. The Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher is a compact, efficient, and reliable solution for all your dishwashing needs. At number 2, we have the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher, an ideal choice for dorms, RVs, and apartments. With 6 place settings, this compact dishwasher measures H 17.2 inches by W 21.6 inches by D 19.7 inches, perfect for 2 to 3 people. It can fit up to 70 pieces of tableware and plates up to 10 inches in diameter. Note that it's normal for new dishwashers to have some water inside due to factory testing. Installation is a breeze with the simple installation feature. The COMFEE Portable Dishwasher can be connected directly to a faucet with a suitable adapter and can be flexibly placed on a table or fitted into a cupboard, depending on your needs. This dishwasher offers 8 washing cycles, including heavy, normal, baby care, ECO, glass, and speed, with an extra drying function for sparklingly clean and dry dishes. Additionally, it includes speed, mini party, and rinse cycles, providing high flexibility for different situations. The heavy program is perfect for heavily soiled dishes, utilizing 12 washing nozzles and a 360-degree spiral spray wash to ensure complete washing from all angles. High water temperature, up to 68 degrees Celsius, and high water pressure tackle the most stubborn stains. In a hurry? The speed program cleans your dishes in just 45 minutes, making it perfect for multi-round parties or quick cleanups. Energy Star compliant, this program uses as little as 2.77 gallons of water, greatly saving on costs. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher combines efficiency, flexibility, and convenience, making it a top choice for compact living spaces. And at number 1, we have the Magnetic Clean/Dirty Dishwasher Sign, the ultimate tool for kitchen organization and storage. This orderly cleaning magnet is a fantastic reminder helper, saving you time by clearly indicating whether the dishes inside are clean or dirty. With bold, clear text, it's easy to see from anywhere in the kitchen, eliminating guesswork and enhancing organization. Measuring 6.88 inches by 1.96 inches by 0.23 inches, it's a perfect fit for any kitchen. Designed for wide application, this sign comes with a strong adhesive and a black magnet on the back, allowing dual use for any dishwasher. The back is covered with soft silicone to protect your appliances, and it can also be used on your refrigerator, toaster, or microwave. Say goodbye to confusion with this dishwasher magnet. It helps you keep track of the cleanliness of your cookware, making life easier for forgetful people, those with mobility issues, children, and busy individuals. Easy to use, this dishwasher magnet features the words clean and dirty on either side. Made of water-resistant acrylic, it won't scratch, wrinkle, or leave residue. Simply slide the slider to switch between the clean and dirty states. A gift with love, this clean or dirty dishwasher magnet makes a perfect present for any occasion: birthdays, holidays, Mother's Day. It's a practical gift that answers the endless question of whether the dishes are clean or dirty. The Magnetic Clean/Dirty Dishwasher Sign is a must-have for every kitchen, bringing simplicity and efficiency to your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.